locus of the point P, locus of the point P, if the distance of P from the A3, 0 is twice of the distance P from the minus 3, 0. Find the equation of the locus of the point if the distance of the P from the A3, 0 is twice distance of the P from minus 3, 0. అంటే గివెన్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే ఒక x, y ప్లేన్ మనం ఒక లోకస్ పాయింట్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ లోకస్ పాయింట్స్ స్క్వేరింగ్ ఆన్ ది బోత్ సైడ్ therefore AP square equal to 4BP square. Therefore AP square is nothing but x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 4 equal to 4 into x plus 3 whole square is 0 is nothing but y square. Therefore from this above equation x square plus 9 plus minus 6x plus y square minus 4x square minus 36 minus 24x minus y square equal to 0. Minus y square equal to 0. Therefore x square minus y square, here once observe here clearly. Therefore here this is y square, here 4y square, this is multiplied 4, here 4y square. Therefore x square next here 4x square is there, x square this minus 4x square is nothing but minus 3x square, same way minus 3y square, next x is minus 30x minus this one is 9, this one is minus 27 equal to 0. Therefore x square 3x square, therefore x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. These are given equations. So required equation x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. These are equation finally will get. But in given condition is AB equal to 2B. Must also you are going to find out in locus point two conditions must be satisfied. The locus point not satisfied, only one point. Whenever we are P point, we are taking x, y, the point is satisfied. We will get equation is x square plus y square plus 10x plus 29 is the equation, we get equation. But whenever we are taking one more point of the on the point P x, y, first before you are taking the point, second point is P x1, y1, they are either cube. So therefore cube x1, y1. So we will get cube x1, y1 is nothing but x1 square plus y1 square plus 10x1 plus 9 equal to 0. So 10x1 9 equal to 0. This is the equation. So next equation is, therefore we want to prove that AP equal to 2B. Therefore AP is nothing but AQ square equal to x plus x minus 3 x1 minus 3 whole square plus y square. Therefore AQ square equal to x1 square plus 9 minus 6x1 plus y1 square. So this one written as AQ square equal to 4x1 square plus 36 minus 24x1 plus 4y1 square. This one written as minus 3 is nothing but this written as minus x square plus y square plus 10x plus 9 equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. Therefore we written as AQ square equal to, therefore here 4 is a common. Therefore x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 9. This one's totally 0. This one totally equal to 0. Therefore 0 this one value is, therefore we will get AQ square equal to 4 into this x1 is nothing but PB. Therefore PB. Therefore PB is nothing but this is written as PB square. So this written as simply AQ square equal to this 4 written as 2 into PB whole square. So this is the given equation whenever the given P point is x comma y, and the same way x1 comma y1 we are taking, but two conditions is satisfied in the locus of the point. So next example is find the locus of the third vertex of the origin a right angle triangle as the ends of whose hypotenuse are 4, 0, 0, 4. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే ఒక లోకస్ పాయింట్ థర్డ్ వర్టెక్స్ అంట. ఆ థర్డ్ వర్టెక్స్ యాక్చువల్లీ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఏమి ఇచ్చారంటే రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ ఇచ్చారు ఆన్ ది యాక్సిస్ లో. చూడండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ a x, y axis. This is actually given point is 4, 0. 4, 0 is nothing but this is the point 4, 0. Same way this is a 0, 4. Okay, now assume that this is A point, this is a B point, this is a P point. This is a P point. Now join the both are, we'll get a one right angle triangle. This length is 4, this length is 4. So right, but here AB is given equal to how much? From this diagram, apply Pythagoras. AB square equal to AP square plus PB square. AP square plus PB square. Therefore AP square, what is the AP square? AP square is nothing but AP. So x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus next one is x plus x square plus y minus 4 whole square. So y minus 4 whole square. So this is a point x minus p, x p x minus, right, equal to 4 square plus 4 square. Therefore x square plus 16 plus 8x minus 8x plus y square plus x square plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 32. Equation solve here. Therefore 2x square plus 2y square, 8x here minus 8x, next to minus 8y, 16 plus equal to 32. So both sides is cancelled. We'll get therefore 2 is a common, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0. Therefore we'll get x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4a equal to 0. This is the equation. But one more point, I will assume that q x1 comma y1. Q x1 comma అంటే ఇప్పుడు లోకస్ పాయింట్ ఏం చేస్తుంది, ఈక్వేషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేయాలి. లోకస్ పాయింట్ is satisfied the equation condition. Therefore q x1 comma y1 I1 on the locus. Therefore x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 4y equal to 0. Yes, అంతే కదా. సో ఫర్ q x1 y1 తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమొస్తుంది, x1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4x1 మైనస్ 4y1 వస్తుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఇప్పుడు ఏం ప్రూవ్ చేయాలి యాక్చువల్గా q తీసుకున్నప్పుడు మనము. therefore we are going to prove that here. Therefore ab square equal to aq square plus qb square equal to this one, x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus x square plus y minus 4 whole square. x1 1. Therefore from this equation x1 square plus 16 minus 8x1 plus y1 square plus x1 square plus y1 square root plus 6 minus 16 minus 8 1 equal to 0. Therefore from this equation, so x1 square 2x1 square plus 2y1 square minus 8x1 minus 8y1 plus 32 equal to ab equal to what is our going proof, ab square. Therefore here 2 is a common, x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 4y1 plus 32 equal to 0. Here see once here చూడండి, ఇక్కడ x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 4y1 totally equal to 0 from this equation. Therefore, from this equation, total equal to 0. Therefore, this totally value is 0. Is nothing but finally we'll get 32. Finally we'll get 32. Therefore, AB square equal to, no, QB, AQ square equal to, AQ square plus QB square. QB square equal to AB square. So this is the equation. ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏం చేస్తుంది లోకస్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ గివెన్ ది కండిషన్ ఆన్ ది గివెన్ ది కండిషన్ లోకస్ పాయింట్ ఇస్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్ ది గివెన్ కండిషన్ సో రెండు కండిషన్స్ ఇప్పుడు సాటిస్ఫై చేసింది నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ ఫైండ్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది లోకస్ ఆఫ్ P if the ratio of the distance from the P to A.5, -4 and B 7, 6 is 2:3. This is the given question. Is from P, assume that P x, y from A point to P distance divided by is the ratio of A point P point to B ratio is to 2/3 is the given data. Given data PA divided by PB equal to 2/3. This is the given data. Therefore, from this equation, PA into 3 equal to 2 into PB. Therefore, squaring on the both side will get 9PA whole square equal to 4PB whole square. 9PA whole square equal to 4PB whole square. So, from this data, we'll get A equal to 5, -4, then B equal to 7, 6, then P equal to x, y, where ratio equal to 2/3. Same way, therefore 9 into, so PA is nothing but PA. Therefore x minus 5 whole square plus next y plus 4 whole square equal to 4 into, what is the PB? P into x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. Therefore, from this equation, 9 into x square plus 25 plus, no, here minus is there, therefore minus 10x plus y square plus 16 plus 8y equal to 4 into x square plus 49 minus 14x plus y square plus 36 minus 12y. So this is the equation. From this equation, square plus 5y square minus 34x plus 120y plus 29 equal to 0 will get, this is the equation whenever the point is P x1, y1. Same way, we'll take in Q x1, y1, will x1, y1, the 9a square equal to 9 into x1 square plus y2 into 5 minus 10x1 plus y1 square plus 16 plus 81 square, 81, 8y1, we'll get this equation. Same way, from this equation, 5x is written as 5x1 square plus 5y1 square minus 34x1 plus 125y1 plus 24, 4x1 square plus 4y1 square minus 56x1 minus 40y plus 36 equal to 0, where this one written as total equal to 0. Therefore, 0 plus this one 4x1 square plus 4y1 square minus 56x1 minus 48y1 plus 34 equal to 0. From this equation, we are take common 4 will get x1 square plus y1 square minus 14x minus 12y plus 49 written as, this one 113 written as 49 plus 36 written as. So 4 into 49 plus 36, where 4 is the common, we'll take x1, this one, x1 square plus y1 square minus 14x written as x1 minus 7 whole square. Same way, this one written as y1 minus 6 whole square equal to, here 4 into 4, this one is QB. Where is the B? 0.7, 6. This one written as x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. So this is the value. So therefore 4QB whole square. This is the problem. This is the very, very important question in especially locus topic. This question is A 2, 3 and B minus 3, 4 are the two given points. Find the equation of the locus of P So that area of triangle PAB is 8.5. So here 2 points is given. We are assume that point is P x1, y1. Totally 3 points. Whenever they given totally 3 points, that time we are going to find out the area of the formula is. So already we know that these are previous knowledge. So half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the equation. This is the equation. Actually, here what is the given? PAB is 8.5 is nothing but 8.5. So this is the given. From this given data, A equal to 2 comma 3, then B equal to minus 3 comma 4. Here given question is PAB. PAB. Therefore, P equal to x comma y. Assume that x comma y is nothing but x1 y1, this one x2 y2, this one x3 y3. So these all values are we are substituting this given equation. Therefore, in this equation, x1 is nothing but half into x1 is nothing but x1 as it is noted down, y2 is nothing but y2 3 minus 4 plus x2 value is what is x2 2 into y3 minus nothing but 4 minus y1 is nothing but y plus x3. What is the x3 value? Minus 3 into what is the y1? Y minus what is the y2? 3 equal to 8.5. Where here half is there. This half is transferred the side is multiplied. We'll get is 17. This half is not come here. So therefore 3 minus 4 is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 into x is minus x1. Next one. 2, this one is multiplied. 2 is multiplied this equation. 2 4 ja 8 minus 2y. Minus 3 into y minus 3y. Minus into minus plus 9 equal to 17. Therefore, here debt is there. Debt is there. Therefore, minus x1. Next, minus 2y minus 3y. Therefore, minus 5y. 8 plus 9 plus 17. Plus 17 equal to 17. Here two cases is there. Plus 17, minus 17 will take in two cases. Therefore, case 1, minus x1 minus 5y plus 17 equal to 17. Next, case 2, minus x1 minus 5 minus 5y. See here, where is the x1? No. This is not x1. This assume that x. X. Therefore, minus 5y plus 17 equal to minus 17. Therefore, both sides this one cancel. We will get x plus 5y equal to 0. These are equation 1. Same way in case 2, x plus 5y equal to 34. These are equation 2. From this equation 1 and equation 2, we'll get one equation. How therefore x plus 5y into x plus 5y minus 34 equal to 0. Therefore, x square plus 5xy minus 34y. Next, 5y is nothing but 5xy plus 25y square minus 34. 5 is 20. 17. 170y equal to 0. Therefore, written as x square plus 25y square. Next, 5xy, this 5xy plus 10xy. Next, 34 minus 34xy. No, 34y only. Then minus 170y. This is the equation. So this is the we'll get equation. X1 comma Y1 is satisfying this equation where we'll get condition 1 X1 plus 5Y1 equal to 0. This is a one condition. X1 plus 5Y1 equal to 34 is a condition 2. From this both equations, this is a equation 2, this is a equation 3. From 2 and 3 equation, we are going to find out one more triangle area. Why? Because we are taking Q point, one more point, Q point X1 comma Y1. That's why we are going to find out half into X1 to 3 minus 4 plus 2 into 4 minus Y1 minus 3 into Y minus 3. As is this debt is there. Therefore, we'll get half minus debt minus X1 plus 8 minus 2 1 minus 3 1 plus 9 debt. So therefore, here minus X1 minus 5 1 plus 17. Plus 17. Where this one? Here. Here. Plus 17. This value is actually we know that. Minus X, debt minus X minus 5Y plus 17 equal to what is the value? This value? 17. So, in this place, we are substituting 17. 17 divided by 2 will get 8.5. Therefore, triangle QAB equal to 8.5. So here, locus points is especially satisfies two conditions. Whenever we are assumed that P x comma y comma x comma y will satisfy this equation is will get equation this one. Same way this equation is satisfied locus point. We assume that point qx1 comma y. That time also will get this given equation triangle QAB equal to same as it is. PAB equal to therefore QAB. This condition both are satisfied. So this is the especially in this locus topic. This 4 example and 5 examples are very important. Then exercise is there. Exercise all problems are very easy problems is there. Do yourself. You have any doubts and once ping me in comment section. What problems very difficult is there? The problems we are discussing on the board.